Hello, today we are going to talk about human factors in AI. This is based on the used car price prediction model that introduced last class. First, task analysis. So this is what I want to build, establish a model to use the data to evaluate the price of the second car. There is a data set containing around 200 group of data. The parameters including but not limited the manufacturers, numbers of doors, body, styles, drive wheels, engine locations, and a few parameters like city fuel consumption, highway fuel consumption, miles per gallon, price. We will use those data to build a model to predict the final price of the second car. Once the model has been built, input the parameters and predict the final car price. Simplifies task flow and improves the user experience with this task. So there's model and the principal components analysis. The parameters will be reduced. As present, there are more than 20 data. Input 20 input parameters. Some as parameters with no corrections will be removed. To improve the customer's user experience through those, not all the 20 parameters are required for model input or data connection. First part of data, you can see a few, like around 10 data here, but actually there are more than 20 in the database. User experience. The users will input the parameters they connect to predict the price of the second car. The users will know which parameters are primary and which are secondary and the weight of them. Applicability of the model. For example, the model is for ordinary economic vehicles, not for the luxury cars and limited models. From the classification plot, you can see that parameters affect price could be highway fuel consumption, city fuel consumption, horsepower, engine size, tube weight, device length, wheelbase, and bore. Those descriptions will be part of the model transparency for those primary parameters. Privacy consideration. So first, we want to anonymize the data. We will not know who processed the data, the owner of each data. To confirm the legality of the data with legal personnel, and whether those data acquisition meets the local legal requirements such as CCPA in United States and GDPR in Europe. Another will be connections, use, and retentions, controls on information. Ethical consideration. First, bias. Yes, regional difference, personal preferences, strongly brand influence, and supply-demand ratio. Those will be the bias. We should consider the fairness. The same input should have the same output. Accountability solution, the solution owner needs to considering a few major measures like this. And who is responsible for the model performance? Which law does the model follow? What kind of customer support will be provided to the users once they face a problem during the use process? Transparency invites the user to join at the beginning of the model building. Explain to them how the model is built based on what set of data, fixture selection, weight, accuracy, and scope of the application. This is the end. Thanks for your listening and have a good day.